Murray sit over there. I'm gonna sit over here by you. You look safer than Murray does. My name is Jimmy Shaw. I'm the Vice President of Operations for CBI Construction Services. We are an in-house general contractor for a developer in Birmingham, Alabama. We're here on site today at our Wilmington, North Carolina project to do a quarterly review with our job site team here. The purpose of the meeting is really to try to understand, take a snapshot in time, review an agenda of things that we think are critical to how we manage our work. And we do these quarterly, and this is the 9th of 10 quarterly review meetings that we've held. This is meant to be a safe place, so if there's something on your mind, let's talk about it in here.
We've got Cottages at Riverlights. It's a 7-phase build out of 279 units, 180 pads total. Starting left to right with phase 1 clubhouse, sweeping around in a snake pattern. We're looking at about a 16-month total duration. We're about 30% over the whole project right now. Currently going into underground concrete into phase 5 with framing catching us up.
We're here today in Wilmington, North Carolina, touring our Cottages at Riverlights project. One of our kind of standard cottage deliveries that we do here in-house at CBI. One of the reasons I kind of came over to CBI was the culture, the people, a great company that's been around for a while that's really started to have some rapid growth, which is exciting. So some of the things that we're focused on, being innovative and being the best at what we do. We have a highly repetitive product in our cottages and some of the other developments that we've done in the past. And what we want to do is look at ways to be efficient, stay ahead of the market, build a quality product on time, within budget, and have strong standards while leveraging our existing history and culture of the company. And so that's kind of what we are trying to do here.
Over here we've got concrete pours prepping for porches. So the second pour on all the porches because of the brush finish, separate concrete. All the pads are poured. Prepped 10 porches this morning, got them inspected, so we'll pour them tomorrow morning.
This is one of our cottages. We're in the middle of setting trusses right now. Working through that process. Siding will be going next after the windows go in. Then we'll be drying in the roof, setting the shingles, and then start working on the interior. Right now we're progressing through phase 2, which is where this area is. Waiting on some trusses to deliver. We've got a few more in phase 1. We're working through phase 2, and then we've got phase 3 right across the way that we'll be working on as we kind of round the corner and head back towards that portion of the site.
I tell you, we got a good crew going. We all get along. We all know our jobs. We're all pretty hard working, you know. And CBI as a whole is a great company to work for. Our higher ups, if we need anything, you know, they're getting us answers. They're not letting us sit there. They're not just beating us down at like some companies I've been to. So it's a great company to work for. I enjoy it. And we have a really good team out here. So that makes it a lot better, you know what I mean?
Well, before I knew a lot about framing, a lot about underground and concrete. And then I get here as an assistant superintendent, and I'm learning so much every day. I mean, underground, framing, plumbing, electrician. I mean, learning how to read blueprints better than I ever could before too, and I feel like I'm in a really good place here.